I have never had a mother, or no longer have, or once did briefly for a day or two. Perhaps she was only mine during the wet crown of hours, as I spun my wicked skull through her ripe and whitening cunt, then fastened to her nipple her botched daughter, ugly with hunger. Maybe it was long before the orphaning, before her womb fell quiet and her brain went sour. Gentle listeners, won't you provide me this sweetness? The morning she straddled my father, black flood of hair, throat opened to God, the red muscle of her quickening like the pulse of a dazzled child. Yes, let it be in that heat-ravaged moment when she caught a pale glimpse of herself in the mirror and looking back at her body, admired the animal engine of herself, not for the daughter it could nurture, but for the girl it would kill. Some of us just vanish out of habit, guided by some blood orchestral pulse, the delirium chorus of a rowing mind. She was always going. I haven't seen her in 2 decades, and I have felt every year. And what's the word for a shadow's shadow? Apparition, dark twin, heartless daughter. Sometimes she calls on your birthday, my father says, confused, mouth full of radio wire. God is a signal, the devil her song. Hey, Ma, how many voices does it take for a schizophrenic to change a light bulb? Wait, I'm sorry. Let me ask an easier question. When you left, did you leave your children half full or half empty?